thing I can't get out of my head is how happy Ronnie was. And Rox. Pair of them just enjoying the day.
You're supposed to be starting a new life.
You make all these plans and then... It's not fair, Ken. None of it.
Hey, all right, Kath. Can I get a coffee, please? I need to warm up before I go home. Yeah.
And Jack, oof, he's so quiet. Too quiet. I suppose at least he's got Max with him now.
Oh, what is it with the police being around Ronnie and Jax earlier?
Dunno.
Oh, come on, of course you do. What is it? Did they run away without paying the hotel bill or something?
Leave it, Donna.
Ian and Stephen were being weird looking at each other earlier when I asked as well. What's the big secret? Is it Roxy? Has she messed up somehow? Trashed the hotel?
Just back off, Donna, all right? Let it go.
Donna, it's best if you leave it, yeah?
I didn't mean anything by it. What's happened?